thank you for the invitation. We are here once again in this panel. So, continuing the discussion of this panel, I would like to give you another dimension of the RSPPS. We don't speak here about simple contracts. We have much more than this. Actually, this has to do with long-term cooperations where two companies partner in order to reach sustainable development goals. In recent years, we see many changes in the operation, in the corporate culture. The companies say that if it is the principle of the customers that want to protect the environment more and more, this is an important leverage for development and creation of value, especially due to the situation in the energy markets today. The quantification of the benefit from an RSPPA are obvious. The challenge for all of us is the long-term quantification of the benefit from sustainable development. Here we don't speak about an exchange, but rather cooperation, which will change the way the market functions. I would like to stress the antisonality term here. This means that a consumer becomes an investor via long-term investment of a new RS project. This is not capital cost, but a long-term investment. So let us see now the structures of the PPAs. They have been very nicely described by the previous speakers. The physical PPA is important, and we have different types of costing, invoicing. These are customized contracts after negotiations and we also have to consider the benchmark, which is the commercial value. So here we speak about the bet that we have today in between the counterparties regarding the future values. This takes place because it is important to know how each party evaluates the continuation of its activity. For example, a producer of RAS today has to understand which is going to be the optimal value so that in a 10 years PPA will return the capital back, the investment back, and make it sustainable. At the same time, we will have to know which is a satisfactory cost for competitive products in the future. As regards the issues, the agenda, energy storage will become a catalytic dimension for RSPPAs. We'll see advantages in decreasing costs, lack of profit, or it is important to see how we can capture the prices of another time inside the day, and profile reshaping and firming. So we are wanting to find financial alternatives that are going to be reliable. These contracts will be operated and functioned through aggregators that will represent the actual units. So these will lead to actual benefits, mitigating the risks and making the aggregators more sustainable for any types of loads. We do believe in green energy, and that's why we have more than 700 megawatts worldwide. We believe that if we combine storage, then RES become green distributable production units, which are the mechanical proportion or the mechanical corresponding unit of long-term projects. We already have 10 gigawatt contracts, more than 120 contracts in more than 8 countries. Our vision is to lead to a green transition in a fully sustainable energy future, always focusing on the creation of value for our customers and for the society and the environment. Thank you very much.